Okay, so big picture here. There are two types of defense strategies. One is passive, and those are everyday lead partners bid suit, return partners led suit, second hand low, third hand high, top of touching, right? Aces led from kings. All of those are fundamental passive defenses. We're going to look today at when do we know to move from passive defense to an aggressive defense. There are lots of indicators, okay? So I keep saying every day, but your normal defense is passive. You start out the hand assuming it's going to be a passive defense, unless there's something in the dummy. The dummy often tells us to move from passive to aggressive. In this lesson, we're going to look at how counting declares points and counting declares tricks and counting declares distribution will give us the idea that, oh yeah, we need to move out of the passive defense into the aggressive defense. And we'll also do some thought process. Well, what does that mean? Okay, it's easy enough to recognize you move from passive to aggressive, but then what? Okay, so all of these ideas are what we're going to be talking about. So we're going to focus on declares points, declares tricks, and declares distribution.